Hi guys, it's Vijay. Again, came back with the one short video. Today we will discuss, we will explore how to animate from audio. Means we will choose one animated character and we will add the audio to that animated character and we will make it the lip synced. In this gesture, we are using two applications. One is Adobe Express and another one is SUNO.com. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. First, we'll go to Adobe Express. Adobe Express is also absolutely free. We can use it for animated characters. Okay, now it's loading Adobe Express. In this, click on plus button and we will get a pop-up, create and quick actions. Click on quick actions. In that, scroll little bit down and you can able to see animate from audio. Click on animate from audio. Here you will get animated characters. See, you can choose any character depend upon your wish. Here I am choosing truffles. Okay, and you can choose the background also. I will choose background. Oops, it's looking not good. This is also not good. Yeah, this background is fit for this animated character. And if you want to make this animated character lip synced, we have to add the audio for this animated character. So for this point of view, we are using suno.com. This is also absolutely free. We'll go to suno.com and click on make a song. I will provide both the links in the description and click on new and click on V3 is now available for all users. Click on that one. There is no problem. Here, if you make this instrumental enabled, they will give only music only. So that you have to disable this one. And here you type Jim atmosphere song. Just you can type anything. Just click on create. It will take some time. It will take near about 1 minute. So please hold on and see. For every user, you will get 50 credits free. Okay, so that you can make 5 songs. For one song, it will take 10 credits, so that you can make 5 songs for at free of cost. So it's the song is loading. Let's get pumped. Here is the song. Okay, and click on this one. And click on 3 vertical dots. Click on these 3 horizontal dots. Wait a moment, you will get this download button here. You have to play this song till end. Just please hold on. Yeah. Now it's download button has been updated. You click on audio. Now save as. Let's get pumped. Please remember this file name. Save. Now it has been saved. Now again you will go to Adobe Express. Please wait a minute. Click on Adobe Express. Click on plus button. Click on quick actions. Click on animate from audio. Click on size. I will choose 9 is to 16 and I will choose the character. Just a moment. I will choose this character and I will choose the background as plain one. I will choose this one. Okay. Now here you see record your characters dialog or browse MP3. Already I downloaded that file. I will upload this again. And here one option is there. You can record your own voice also. So that for this video purpose, I have already downloaded that one audio file. That click on browse. Click on let's get pumped. Click on open. Now see animate from audio is creating. Now it will take some time. Please hold on. It is uploading. Hang tight, just generating your preview. Before that, we will go to Adobe Express. Adobe Express is also free to use. For free users, there is a limited version. For limited version also, this animate from audio, you can do it. Please hold on. It will take more than 1 minute as per my experience. Please hold on. It will take time. So don't be in a hurry. Do not close this button. Here you will get the option that 100% completed. So that you completed the animated from audio. Here it is submitting, waiting for the queue. Now it started computing lip syncing 16%, 219% head movement. See, computing head movement, exporting 29%. It will take more than 1 minute. Okay, now it is exporting 36%, 40%. See, 429%. You can use suno.com. There are 50 credits for each song. The maximum limit is 2 minutes only. We can make 5 songs for free. So it's exporting. See, 749%, 769%, 799%, 81%, 86%. Now it came close to 100%. Please hold on. 91%, 94%, 96%, 99%, Now I hope so it has been completed. Wrapping up. Now it is wrapping up. And total animated. See here download button came. Click on download. Save as. You can this upload this video in YouTube also, so that no copyright issues will found. I hope so. This concept is it's clear to everyone, and it has taken less than 5 minutes. But depend upon the explanation only, it has taken. It is around 12 minutes, but normally it will take more less than 5 minutes. Okay, so I hope so. This video is information is helpful to you. So please leave a comment. If this video information is found helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now let's play the downloaded animated video character.
Step into the gym, the energy so high. Music's pumping, bodies moving side to side. Weights clanging, people sweating, feeling so alive. From the moment we step in, it's an overdrive. Heartbeat racing, adrenaline starts to flow. Pushing through the pain, we won't let go. Legs are burning, but we're reaching for the sky. In this gym, we're unstoppable, we'll never say die.